there?
Oh yeah.
Put a hole in the piston?
I thought I was all the way up, but I wasn't. I was hitting on a damn switch. Lack of clearance in here for this application.
Yep.
Moving still. Clutch broke free finally.
I didn't see nothing moving on the front ones.
I hit the bunch that time. Alright, we're pretty close to top dead center right there. Give me a screwdriver.
It bent.
It's fairly straight.
That's the FXR one now.
We're going around corners. Why do you put my damn carpet? Keep doing that like you're important or something.
I'm just here to help.
I can see that. I'm not filming, I'm feeling compression, so I know which stroke we're on. You missed that part. When it blows air out the hole, you're on compression stroke. Now they're going to have to determine what the hole is I'm blowing on.
Oh, you put your finger over the front one? You had a screwdriver in the rear, right? You had your finger on the front hole?
Why did I put my finger on the front hole when I'm working on the back hole?
So you had your finger, you didn't have the screwdriver in there, then you're using your fingers to find out when it's on compression.
Maybe I got a skinny finger. Oh, it turns.
Please. And
Oh, that one turns too.
perfect.
Never say that word around here. Far from it.
You want a clothespin? Where you going?
I thought I saw a dimple in there. Reflection.
A what? Rubber?
A dimple neck bend.
Go. Number 3.
So I'm using a pipe here.
Again?
Again, yeah. Hey, take advantage of what you got around you.
Right. You gotta take about 3/4 of that thread has to come up before it'll come out of there, huh?
Yep. That's why they make them easy adjust. Otherwise you gotta pull the rocker boxes off.
So if you even if you had the solid push rods, you know, without the adjusters on them, you put them back on the rocker boxes. Do you still have spring tension going on to it? Are you tightening down the rocker boxes?
Yeah. It's called preload. Gotta have preload. You can make it.
Almost. I sure can't see better at daytime.
Not me, my hands are in the way.
I mean, overall.
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of dark in here.
But why not?
Did you see that? You see that? See the reflection
How's
over
that?
here? You can see the reflection of the light.
I see it now.
That's how you know it's on. Let me use that tool again. Like that, I use that tool again?
Factory tool, built-in tool. Probably charges to give you that knowledge.
That one was tight.
Yeah.
This one here didn't get that tight.
This time?
I didn't get it as tight in the front. The exhaust is, but not the intake. See, this one, the fuel line's in the way too.
I should have took that off
See, the
also.
finger has to go around the fuel line.
I should have took that fuel line off when I had the chance.
See that trick how it goes around the...
Yeah,
I go
nice,
through
nice
it.
work. Get out of the way one way or the other, huh?
Yeah, it's in my way, so I go either force it out of the way and not be able to bend my finger.
Next time we take a break, I'll take that off.
Oh, great, we'll have fuel inside the motor, great. We'll flush that rubber out.
Yeah. The rubber won't float either, huh, on the oil? Probably not.
It'll float for a while, but it's going to suck it in. It's sucking like crazy. Okay, that doesn't want to go anywhere.
Grind it up in them teeth, huh?
The thread is screwed up right there.
Well, that's the one you had a hard time with last night, too?
It's too many times the wrench. There it goes. That's right where the wrench goes on it, so just burn the thread up. That's the disadvantage of this style of a cover. done it enough times now. It's starting to become a problem.
Pushrod cover? Rubs or what?
The adjuster won't go down. No, this wrench here burrs the thread up.
Oh, I see. You can't get the nut down.
Where's the damn
Up.
flat spot at? Oh, the flat spot only goes that far too. See? Great. See, the hose is in the way. See?
Give me a chance for a close-up shot. Everybody hates it.
See how hard that was to go over that high spot?
Took the wrench to do it.
Still hard.
Yeah. How far is that flat part? It's quite a ways in there, down, huh?
Yeah, got about 5/8 of an inch, but it's tight right there. See, it's tight, loose, tight, loose. So.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it's tight, because I don't pull on it.
Probably bad thread from the factory.
I went on there before.
They had a hard time yesterday, though.
I think the nut's getting warped. That's the problem. The nut's probably
Too
out
much
around.
torquing on it.
Yeah. It shrunk, so now it's finding all the tight spots and threads. See, it's loose and it's tight.
Missing it.
Damn, it's going to take a while at this rate.
Let me do it. I do your dirty work for you.
There it goes. Got by it.
We'll have to take a look at that before we put it back together.
It's already done. I have to go through the high spots. Well, this push rod probably might have the same problem when we get down to that area.
Then we'll know if it's the thread or the nut, huh?
Bad element in the neighborhood going on over there.
Yep. Solo looking guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little kitties running around their cars and stopping and yakking all over the place. Not a good sign.
Next thing you know, guns will be out.
Well, I smelled the marijuana earlier, so maybe that's where it's coming from. Never know. Neighborhoods change over the year.
Yep.
You go.
Save those or trash them.
I don't care what you're doing. Where's my new ones? Yeah,
Shoot up.
Those look good.
Yeah.
No, let's go. Give it to me. Ah. Look at these.
Don't even go there. We all know
Yeah.
what they're looking at.
An old one, a one-pump kid. What's that tell you?
Someone's influencing someone else.
Influencer. They make money doing that. Influencer things. Who knows?
Exactly. Who knows?
I'm waiting for one of those crappy-ass pizzas or so over there.
They are lousy too. Lasagna's good. Pizzas are really sad.
Worst pizza I've ever had in my life.
Yeah. One of the, well, compared to a 7-Eleven one, maybe.
No, by far.
They're worse.
By far. I wonder why you see new full pizzas in the garbage can.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't even eat it, huh?
Just a whole pizza. Oh.
Well, they likes them because they're thin crust.
And I'm sure they're not cheap.
They're $20.
$20.
18 something. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. And the people in there would just eat them things up like they're good.
They are terrible.
Horrible. Maybe that's the new shelf they had there.
Huh?
Maybe that was a new shelf and trade.
It might be. Yeah. it may be. They're
You never know.
Yep, new hires. It's hard to get good help these days.
The Italians can't cook. They might as well get the Mexicans.
Nobody wants to. Well, yeah, that's the way it's always been. Nobody. If you ever go to a Mexican restaurant and there's not a Mexican cooking, don't eat the food.
Where'd the screw go?
Oh no. Lose one.
You didn't need
I
it.
dread to get the magnet.
You didn't need it anyway. So you see the white guy in the back, don't eat it?
No, never. Mexican or Italian food, either one. You gotta have Mexicans cooking. Whitey can mess up anything in that department. Unless you like my mom's cooking, you'll never eat anything I ever make.
I know that his mom's cooking.
I'm a firm believer that if you were raised on dog shit, you would think dog shit was great.
You would. You always remember how good it was.
Yep, good old mom's cooking, man.
Yeah.
Nobody could make bacon and eggs like my mom does. Really good. Greasy. Some really good eggs for you, grease and lots of cholesterol in them.
Yeah.
Watch the top thing. Watch that baby spin. Look at it. Oh, he didn't get
This
it.
one doesn't do it.
No. Long hole. Maybe this next one will do it.
Too much of an angle.
Oh yeah, we got some going there. Nobody knows how to do that. That's a patented move. Here we go. You got 3 or 4? 3?
You only needed 3, wouldn't it?
There's one back there somewhere still.
No, it's not here. It's gone. It was missing.
Huh?
It was missing.
Oh yeah, right.
Guarantee it wasn't there.
I see it.
No, it's missing. It wasn't there.
And I did not drop it into the can cover.
You didn't. You're not going to chase me after it?
Let me get this cleaned up here.